Wow, looking cute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name's Helena and I do lots of plus size fashion videos. So today I have a Dia & Co review. So I ended up getting a Dia & Co box. This is actually my second box. The first one I didn't really feel like I wanted to make a video about because I wasn't really happy with the items I got. So I just decided to go ahead and get a second one. I did wait a couple months before I did get the second one, but I have the second one here today. And I just want to do a little review. I did open it, but I haven't looked at any of the clothes yet or anything like that. They're still packaged up and everything. I'm pretty excited to see what they put in the box this month. If you haven't done Dia & Co before, it is a styling box. How it works is you'll go onto the website, fill out a quiz. They'll ask you about patterns, sizes, what stores you usually shop at, everything down to, you know, what budget you want to stay in between and stuff like that. After you fill out the quiz, you sign up. There's a $20 styling fee, and then they'll send you out handpicked items from a stylist. You get the handpicked items in this box, and you get about 5 days to try those items on and keep whatever you want to keep, and then send back whatever you want to send back. Now, the styling fee, the $20 styling fee, will go towards any items that you keep. So if you keep a shirt that's $30 or so, that $20 credit will go towards that shirt, and then you'll pay the remaining balance, which would be $10. So it is a really cool thing. You get to try things on in your own home. You have a couple days to decide if you like those items and what you want to keep. And I believe if you need like extra time to try those items on, you can get in contact with Dia & Co and they can extend that time for you. So it's a really cool experience. You get all the items to your house, and yeah, it's just a really cool experience. This isn't a sponsored video at all, but I just wanted to show you some of the items that I received from Dia & Co and just kind of do a review over the items. But without further ado, I'll get straight into the video, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so first thing I see is this green top. Okay, so it looks like it's like a quarter length sleeve size. The material is really soft. I wonder what the material is on this. Okay, so I don't see what the material is made out of. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, here is the green shirt. It looks, I don't know, I mean, it's okay. I don't know if I'm gonna like it once I try it on. The brand is Mary Sky. It's in a 4X. So next we have this white shirt. It's more like a creamy white color. And it has a little like tie down here. It's cute. It's in a size 4X. And the brand is East Adrenaline. It looks like we have a jewelry piece here. Let me pull this out. Okay, so looks like a necklace. Yes, it's very pretty. Not something that I would normally gravitate towards. I'm just not like a big fan of like long necklaces, I guess. It is pretty though. I don't know, we'll try it on and see how I like it. Okay, so next I got, what is this? This is like a dress. So it's this black dress. It has a tie at the waist, very heavy. The brand is, again, East Adrenaline. I don't know, I'm saying that wrong. Last but not least, we have some capris. Just basic dark capris. They're the same brand, Marie Sky. So yeah, I'm just gonna try this stuff on, see how everything fits, see if I like any of it, and I will show you guys the try on portion of this video. So yeah, I'm gonna go try those on. Okay, so this isn't my favorite thing in the world. I don't know, it just kind of looks very matronly to me. Just not really my style. I'm not about these, like, I don't know, longer side type shirts. Yeah, I really like the color. Just not something that I would usually gravitate towards. I'm just not, I don't know, I'm not feeling it. So let me try on the next item. Okay, so I don't really like this either. This is what the sleeves look like. Again, I feel like it's very matronly. I'm only, I don't know. Like, I kind of like it. I'm just not in love with it. I don't really like the sleeves, how they do that. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I keep it? I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna keep it. I'm not in love with it. It's just not really my style. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna keep this one. Okay, so again, I don't know, I don't like this either. I don't know, I just feel like I'm never going to wear this anywhere. I honestly feel like, in my opinion, this is like an item that like a fat girl would wear, I guess, if that makes any sense. Like, I don't know, it's just not very fashionable to me, I guess. I don't know. I'm not in love with it. I don't like the high-low thing. I've never really liked that. The necklace, it's cute. The necklace is cute, but I'm never going to wear this anywhere. It's just not very, again, it's very matronly to me. So I'm not in love with this. But let me try the capris on and see how I like those. Okay, so these are kind of cute. I would like them a little bit better if they weren't so baggy right here. And then they're pretty baggy in the knees as well. I don't know if you can tell, but they're very stretchy. And I wish they had some sort of like dimension to them, some sort of different colors to them. I'm not really a big fan of like the straight blue jeans. Like they don't have any color to them, no like dimension to them at all. They fit pretty nice up here in the waist. They're just pretty loose right here and then in my knees. Okay, so I'm going to change and then I will sit down and tell you guys how I feel about this box. Okay guys, I am changed. And I just want to talk about the items in the box a little bit more. So I wasn't very impressed or very excited after seeing the clothes. Everything just kind of seemed a little bit matronly to me. The jeans, I liked the jeans, I just didn't like the way they fit in the like stomach area. They were very loose, and then in the knees they were pretty loose as well. They fit up pretty well on my waist, but again, I'm not really a big fan of like just straight lace blue denim jeans or capris. I'd rather have something that has a little bit more dimension in them, more style, I guess, in them, not just like the straight lace blue denim jean. So I'm gonna go through everything. The necklace, it was pretty, but again, I'm not really into like the long necklace type of thing. It's not really my style. So yeah, that necklace was $28. The capris were $42, which is not bad at all. That's a pretty good price, considering, you know, you get your $20 styling fee, you're paying 20 bucks for a pair of capris, which isn't bad. And then let's see, the Beverly Hills high-low wrap dress. I did not like that at all. I mean, it fit well, it's just not my style at all. I'm not a big fan of high-low dresses. I don't think I've ever worn a high-low dress. It's just not my style. I don't know, I just don't like them very much. It was a pretty dress. I would just never wear it anywhere. It's just, I don't know, it's really not my style. And that was $55. The knotted v-neck tee, the white shirt, is $32. I kind of like that one. I like the knot. I didn't like the sleeves. Again, not really my style. I feel like a lot of this stuff that they sent me was very like a lot more formal than what I would wear, I guess. It's not really formal, it's more like business casual, and I don't really need that type of stuff. So I'm gonna have to go into my D&Co website and go through my style, maybe pin a couple items that I like, and then hopefully my next box will be a lot more tailored to, you know, what I like to wear, my style, my fashion, all that kind of stuff, because I really wasn't impressed by the items that they sent me. Now the last thing was the 3/4 sleeve t-shirt in the army green color, or forest green color, and it was $32. Again, just like the dress, I'm not really into like high-low things. Like the sides were very low, and then once it got towards more of the stomach area, it got higher. I'm not really into that style. I hate how, I don't know, I don't like shirts that have really long sides and then the front of it is really short and the back of it is really short. Not my style at all. Don't ever gravitate towards those pieces. So yeah, those are the 5 items that I got on my box. I will probably be sending all of these items back. Let me know down below in the comments if you liked any of these items or if I should keep any of them. As far as trying them on, I don't believe that I'm going to keep any of them. I might take a couple days to, you know, try them on again and decide. But my first impression is probably a no. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna go onto my D&Co website and pin a couple items that I like, and maybe change a couple things on my styling quiz and see what my next box is like. Let me know if you guys want to see the 3rd box that I get from D&Co, and if so, I will put that video up as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more plus size fashion videos like this one, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.